哟，大家好，我是小马。今天我们在家里 self isolating.
Theo, why are you over there?
Oi.
Theo, this social distancing is you and us keeping away from crowds, everybody else, not your family. I'm sorry, I didn't have any chindar.
Max, how's the situation at school?
Well, the colleges haven't said anything, but I feel like we probably will not have to go to school anymore.
And the schools have to get creative, like as they did in China, keeping the education going, so online.
Yeah, I spoke to my friend Kenny when we were in Bulgaria, and he said all the learning's being done online.
Yeah, I think the situation is changing very quickly and very short notice. So it's a parent of one of the children at Theo's school in a different year. Anyway, we've decided to keep him off school.
I have mixed feelings about that. I feel maybe he should just go to school until the school actually officially shuts down.
If the parent has...
There were 8 cases in Brighton and Hove, and the 9th is at his school.
One of them was at my college.
I don't think he's going to get it and get sick. It's smarter to keep distance, right?
Yeah.
And I think that your college will close in about a week, maximum.
Hopefully.
What do you mean, hopefully?
No, I don't want to get ill with that.
What do you think, Teddy? He didn't mean that. He didn't mean that, did he? This is our second hot pot in 2 days, isn't it? Friday
That
night.
doesn't look very good, but
It doesn't look very good.
It tastes nice.
I just went to my usual Bulgarian folklore dancing. It's supposed to be in London and it's just been cancelled. It's kind of sad. Because people don't want to get together in big groups of people.
Oh, that's not sad.
What's it called again?
Avatar.
Social distance.
They
I wonder how
say
is the situation better now in China? I feel like some friends are going back to work.
Yeah, the challenge now is that...
Second spike, you mean?
Yeah, if anybody comes in from overseas...
Theo, sit down. There's not one thing in your bowl. Sit down now. Sit down.
I joined a Facebook group for people to support each other during this outbreak and maybe carry food for like the elderly or something.
Yeah, I
like
saw
that.
a poster in my mate's. If you're self-isolating, I'm here to help, and it was like.
Yeah, exactly. And it's just really touching because all these stories. There was a lady that was 65 years old and she posted and said, I'm trying to self-distance, and all these people are just saying, right, if you need a call, if you need a chat, if you need anything, just give us a call. It's just beautiful to see people coming together in
Yeah, I didn't
time of
expect that
adversity.
to happen, to be honest. It's quite
And
nice.
everybody's just kind of ignoring what the government's saying and just trying to help each other.
That you're playing games all day.
no.
Now he learned some Bulgarian. He did
Yeah.
some guitar lesson with Ian.
And I did some clay.
Tell them
Actually, a
about your
lot
clay.
of clay. This is a butterfly. This is a wasp. I'm gonna paint it soon. This is my snake.
Nice.
And this, something that I don't know.
We're gonna run out of space to put all your crafts.
Did I use
Officially, Boris Johnson has just said avoid pubs, travel.
Yeah, I saw that on the news. It says,
But schools are staying open.
yeah.
It's almost like wartime. We're trying to do it a little bit before we need to, if you know what I mean? Or let's say before we're told to. Max, you perhaps for tomorrow could make Chinese dinner?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, a bit more? 3 more.
3? Oh, 3 more.
2 more. 2 more.
2, yeah.
Two,
I thought
yeah.
you meant like 3 dollops, and I was like,
No.
that's gonna be quite.
How's
I've got
things at
cheese
school,
in it.
Max?
School is good. My teacher today said that they're talking to the teachers today to see if they keep schools open, but sounds like you said they are keeping them open.
It's not down to the school, it's down to the government.
I know a couple of people who are not going to school. Parents telling them to stay at home. It's
Right.
I don't know if that's necessary to them. I think I prefer to keep going to college to a certain extent because I find it really hard to study at home by myself. So I think it would actually do me quite a big amount of harm.
No, that's a very valid point, actually. Big challenge, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a really big challenge.
I mean, we struggled with Theo today to keep his attention off the screen.
Guitar lesson tonight, okay?
Yeah.
Right.
But then we can't really keep Theo off school for very long because if the schools don't close, there's another 2 weeks before the holiday happens.
Yeah.
I don't think we'll be allowed to keep him for 2 weeks off.
I don't think the schools will last another 2 weeks. But I'll be surprised, but let's see.
Sounds like.
I don't mind, obviously going to school, but then if I do catch the virus, I feel worse having it and passing it on than just me having it. I don't know how to explain. Like, I don't feel like it'll affect me that bad. I just
Well,
wouldn't want
I
to
think
send
most of us
pass
are
it to
worried
you
about
guys. Because you're a bit older and it affects
Really? Am I older than you?
a bit.
we're not really in the risk group yet.
I don't know about that.
Watch it.
Said people over 60.
Oh, we're in the park just now walking Walter. Theo was playing on the playground and he was talking to someone and when we got back in the car to come home, he said, I was talking to a little kid, they had their adult with them. he had his adult with him.
Silly adult.
it.